Ever wondered what would happen if a bone-crushing hyena faced off against a venomous Komodo dragon? Buckle up, animal enthusiasts, because today we're diving into an epic throwdown between these two ferocious predators. Love the views, animal fans? But subscriptions are drier than a hyena's laugh. Subscribing is our war paint, helps us bring the epic battles. Hyena versus Komodo? Let's go. The hyena, a laughing lunatic with serious bite. Imagine this. A cackling hyena clan stumbles upon a juicy carcass. These aren't your average scavengers. Hyenas are the ultimate team players, taking down prey much larger than themselves with their incredible teamwork. Their jaws, the strongest bite force of any land mammal relative to their size, can shatter bones and devour carcasses whole. Hyenas are relentless hunters with surprising stamina and a strategic mind for the takedown. The Komodo dragon, a prehistoric predator with a nasty surprise. On the other side of the ring, we have the Komodo dragon, a living dinosaur stalking the Indonesian islands. This solitary giant is a silent stalker with a terrifying arsenal. Razor-sharp teeth and prehistoric claws can inflict gruesome wounds. But the Komodo dragon's secret weapon is hidden in its bite. Packed with a cocktail of deadly bacteria, a single chomp can lead to blood poisoning, slowly weakening prey until the Komodo dragon delivers the final blow. Shudder, the battle royale, teamwork versus toxic terror. Now picture this. A lone Komodo dragon patrolling its territory spots a hyena clan feasting. Not cool, bro. The hyenas, sensing a threat, form a defensive circle, their powerful jaws snapping a warning. The Komodo dragon, relying on its size and venomous bite, charges at the nearest hyena. A fierce battle erupts. Dust flies, claws slash, and teeth meet in a clash of prehistoric fury. Who will reign supreme? You decide. This is where things get wild. Hyenas are all about teamwork. While one hyena distracts the dragon, another might flank it, aiming for a vulnerable spot. But the Komodo dragon has a secret weapon. It's venom. A lucky bite could turn the tide, leaving the hyena weakened and vulnerable to the dragon's finishing move. Honestly, the victor depends on several factors. In a one-on-one fight, the venom gives the dragon a major advantage. But hyenas are agile and have the power of numbers on their side. A coordinated attack by a hyena clan could overwhelm the lone dragon. The truth is, these two apex predators rarely meet in the wild. But this epic showdown highlights the incredible diversity and deadliness of the animal kingdom. So, who do you think would win? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for even more wild animal battles. We've got lions versus tigers, sharks versus crocodiles. The ultimate predator matchups you won't want to miss.